Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to go incognito mode on Grindr. First, let us open the Grindr app, then log in your account. Once logged in, tap on the profile icon on the top left. You will see here under the profile photo, online and incognito mode. Click on incognito. In here, note that in order to go incognito, you have to subscribe to Grindr, and it will unlock the incognito mode, which hides your online status. It will let you appear offline even if you are online. So you can now hide from the person you don't want them to see that you are online. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.